How does SEO work? An optimization guide for better organic rankings. Have you ever Googled something like best coffee shops near me or plumbers in my area and noticed the same few websites appearing at the top of the search results page trying to attract your business? The secret fueling their visible prominence despite hundreds of competitors existing locally comes down to tactical organic search engine optimization, SEO. While Google and Bing have incredible capabilities understanding context and returning the most relevant pages seemingly intuiting searcher intent, the underlying ranking system remains bound to complex algorithms, analyzing millions of quantitative and qualitative data signals to determine authoritative, trustworthy pages satisfying queries. This definitive guide breaks down the primary levers enlightened website owners manipulate through ongoing SEO efforts both on and off page optimizations to communicate relevancy and emerge prominently when potential customers hunt solutions in the search engines. Let's explore what makes SEO work. On-page SEO factors impacting organic rankings. When search algorithms crawl websites evaluating pages against keyword phrases typed into queries, they analyze components managed directly under site owner purview. Content quality, topic alignment is semantic text. Media and structured information published on pages signals to engines the specificity to which it covers questions being asked by searchers. Technical site architectural factors behind the content facade. Properly formatted HTML markup, media alt text tags. Site speed and responsive mobile platforms enable search bots to smoothly digest website assets, improving crawl efficiency and indexation depth/breadth. Phrase usage frequency density. While excessive keyword stuffing or awkward oversaturation invites penalties, naturally embedding target phrases, especially early in titles and opening paragraphs.